Tasteless and hello everyone. So today's recipe is garlic fried noodles. It's very delicious and easy to make. So let's get started how to make. Guys, here I'm boiling the noodles. I'm using egg noodles. Boil for 5-6 minutes. Now it's done. Recipe we need lots of garlic, so I'm going to use lots of garlic. First I'm going to add garlic, add the ginger, now I'm going to add chili, green chili and dry chili. If you don't like the spicy, then you just put the chili. Soy sauce, add the salt, and black pepper, sesame oil. If you have, if you don't have, it's no problem. Guys, now it's done. My garlic noodle was ready. If you like my garlic fried noodle recipe, please do subscribe and share your friend and comment it down below, so let me know how it is. So anyway guys, take care and see you in next video, and thank you for watching my video, and bye bye and take care.